Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to get a handle on your investments without the hassle, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to track investments using Monarch Money, a fantastic app designed to simplify your financial life. Whether you're a beginner investor or a seasoned pro, this tool can help you monitor your portfolio with ease. First off, let's quickly cover what Monarch Money is. It's a user-friendly personal finance app that integrates budgeting, spending tracking, and investment monitoring all into one platform. It's secure, intuitive, and perfect for anyone wanting to stay on top of their money. To get started, download the app from your phone's app store and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide some basic info like your email and a password. Don't worry, it's quick and straightforward. Once you're in, the next step is connecting your accounts. Monarch Money allows you to link your bank accounts, brokerage firms, or even retirement accounts seamlessly. Just follow the prompts to grant secure access, and the app will import your data automatically. Now, for the fun part, tracking your investments. Head to the Investments section in the app, where you'll see a clear dashboard displaying your stocks, bonds, ETFs, and other assets. You can view real-time performance, historical trends, and even breakdowns by category. Monarch Money makes it easy to set up custom alerts for price changes or portfolio milestones, so you're always in the loop. A few tips to make the most of it. Regularly update your linked accounts to ensure accuracy, categorize your investments for better organization, and use the app's analytics tools to spot trends and make informed decisions. This way, you can adjust your strategy on the fly and work towards your financial goals. In conclusion, tracking investments with Monarch Money empowers you to make smarter choices and reduce stress. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend giving it a go. It's a game changer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.